National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires the use of covers for all unused openings in electrical boxes, raceways, and enclosures. This is specified in Article 314.21b. Meat packing plants are considered hazardous locations because of the presence of flammable substances. Therefore, the NEC requires that all electrical equipment in these locations be installed according to specific safety requirements. In-use covers are designed to protect against accidental contact with live parts while allowing for the safe use of the equipment. In meat packing plants, in-use covers should be used on all electrical boxes, raceways, and enclosures that are used for mounting switches, receptacles, or other electrical devices. Metal in-use covers provide additional protection against moisture and corrosion, which can be significant in meat packing plants due to daily washdowns. They are available from various manufacturers in a range of sizes and configurations. Therefore, in-use covers must be used in commercial plants, including meat packing plants where they wash the wool down daily. Metal in-use covers are a good option for these environments because of their durability and resistance to moisture. Firstly, electrical codes prioritize safety, especially in environments like meat packing plants where conditions can be harsh. Secondly, understanding the specific requirements for in-use covers and the benefits of metal options is crucial for compliance and preventing electrical hazards. The NEC serves as the cornerstone for electrical safety standards in the United States. It's developed and updated by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and is designed to safeguard people and property from electrical hazards. Article 314.21b specifically addresses the need for covers on unused openings. This regulation is in place to prevent accidental contact with live electrical parts, protect the wiring within the enclosure from physical damage, and reduce the risk of dust, moisture, or other contaminants from entering the electrical system. Meat packing plants present unique challenges for electrical systems. The presence of flammable substances, cleaning chemicals, and constant washdowns creates a hazardous environment that demands stringent safety measures. The NEC recognizes this and classifies such facilities as hazardous locations, requiring that all electrical equipment be installed and maintained according to specific guidelines. The purpose of in-use covers is to provide a protective barrier over electrical devices that are actively in use. This is especially important in environments where moisture, chemicals, or physical damage are a concern. In-use covers shield switches, receptacles, and other devices from splashes, sprays, and accidental contact, reducing the risk of electrical shock and equipment failure. Metal in-use covers offer superior protection compared to plastic or other materials, particularly in demanding environments. Metal covers are more resistant to impact, abrasion, and chemical corrosion. They also provide a better seal against moisture, preventing water from entering the electrical enclosure and causing short circuits or other problems. Metal in-use covers are available in a wide range of sizes and configurations to accommodate various electrical devices and enclosure types. This ensures that there is a suitable cover available for every application, regardless of the size or shape of the device being protected. When selecting metal in-use covers for a meat packing plant, it's important to consider several factors. The first aspect to look at is the material of construction. Stainless steel is an excellent choice because of its resistance to corrosion from cleaning chemicals and moisture. The second aspect to consider is the cover's rating. Choose covers that are specifically designed for wet or corrosive environments. The third aspect to consider is the ease of installation and maintenance. Select covers that are easy to install and remove for cleaning and maintenance. The fourth aspect to consider is the compliance with relevant standards. Make sure the covers meet all applicable NEC requirements and other relevant safety standards. Proper installation and maintenance of metal in-use covers are essential for ensuring their effectiveness. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing the covers and inspect them regularly for damage or wear. Replace any covers that are cracked, broken, or otherwise compromised. Regular cleaning is also important to remove any accumulated dirt, grease, or chemicals that could damage the cover or compromise its sealing ability. In addition to the specific requirements for in-use covers, there are several other electrical safety practices that should be followed in meat packing plants. Firstly, grounding all electrical equipment to provide a safe path for fault currents. Secondly, using ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, to protect against electrical shock in wet locations. Thirdly, installing surge protection devices to protect against voltage spikes. Fourthly, implementing a lockout-tagout program to prevent accidental energization of equipment during maintenance. Fifthly, conducting regular electrical inspections to identify and correct any potential hazards. By adhering to the NEC requirements for in-use covers and implementing other electrical safety best practices, meat packing plants can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents and ensure a safe working environment for their employees. The importance of in-use covers in commercial settings, especially those with demanding conditions like meat packing plants, cannot be overstated. These protective devices play a crucial role in preventing electrical hazards and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment. Understanding the NEC requirements, selecting the appropriate type of cover, and implementing proper installation and maintenance practices are all essential steps in creating a safe and compliant electrical system. In addition to the benefits mentioned earlier, metal in-use covers can also help to improve the overall reliability and longevity of electrical equipment. By protecting devices from moisture, chemicals, and physical damage, these covers can extend their lifespan and reduce the need for costly repairs or replacements. The return on investment for metal in-use covers is significant, especially when considering the potential costs associated with electrical accidents, equipment downtime, and regulatory fines. Investing in these protective devices is a proactive step that can save time, money, and potentially lives. When selecting metal in-use covers, it's also important to consider the specific needs of the application. For example, in areas where flammable substances are present, explosion-proof covers may be required. In areas where high-pressure washstands are common, covers with a high ingress protection, or IP, rating should be selected. In areas where the covers are subject to heavy traffic or abuse, covers with a reinforced design may be necessary. The selection process should be based on a thorough assessment of the environmental conditions and the potential hazards present. It's also important to consult with a qualified electrical engineer or contractor to ensure that the selected covers meet all applicable requirements and are suitable for the intended application. In addition to metal in-use covers, there are other types of protective devices that can be used to enhance electrical safety in meat packing plants. These include liquid-tight conduit fittings, which prevent moisture from entering the electrical system, corrosion-resistant enclosures, which protect electrical components from harsh chemicals, and explosion-proof junction boxes, which contain any potential explosions within the enclosure. A comprehensive approach to electrical safety involves using a combination of these protective devices to create a robust and reliable electrical system. The key to effective electrical safety is a commitment to continuous improvement. Regularly review and update safety practices to reflect changes in technology, regulations, and industry best practices. Encourage employees to report any potential hazards or concerns and provide them with the training and resources they need to work safely. By fostering a culture of safety, meat packing plants can create a work environment that is both productive and safe. The NEC is not a static document. It's constantly evolving to reflect new technologies, safety concerns, and industry best practices. It's important to stay up to date on the latest changes to the code and to ensure that all electrical installations comply with the most current requirements. The NFPA offers a variety of resources to help electrical professionals stay informed about the NEC, including training courses, publications, and online forums. The goal is to make sure that safety is the number one priority for any commercial plant with unique needs, and meat packing plants are no different.